Hey guys, gonna make this Cooper's Irish Stout today. Only 2 ingredients. This here, the yeast is under the cap actually, so we'll need that later. Just gonna fill this up to here with water, bring it to a boil, add these 2, mix it all in, and then cool it down. Alright, what I'm doing now is just bringing this up to a boil, and I'm gonna add the 2 ingredients. Make sure it's all dissolved in there. All right, now I'm just adding in the dry malt extract there, or the, I call it extract, dry malt. I'm not adding the whole thing at once, stir it in a little bit, add some more. And I've just got it heated up, not just barely a boil. Okay, I just turned off the boil, it's just barely boiling. I'm just gonna let it cool off for a little bit. Stirred it all in. Alright, to cool this down a little bit, I'm just going to give it an ice bath. So they make work coolers and stuff you can stick in there, but I just use this. It's simple. I just plug up the sink, and I'll do this, and then I'll freeze big ice blocks, and I'll put the ice in there. If I don't have any ice, I'll just let it sit in the cooler water for a while. It brings the temperature down quicker. Then once that's down, then I can add it to my fermenter. I got my wort cooled all the way. Now I'm just going to add some water to my fermenter. I've already sanitized everything twice. Good. I'm just adding the wort to the cool water.
We have a filter on our faucet, so we don't need to have filtered water.
All right, I'm just filling it up to the 23-liter mark, which is right here. We're getting close. All right, now it's time to add the yeast. I'm just gonna add it. So I'm at perfect temperature right there. I want to be between, I want to be right around 70, so pretty darn close. Just mix it around just a little bit. And that is it. And we'll let it sit for a couple weeks. I like to let it sit for 10 to 14 days. All right, here's my little fermenting station. So there's my honey pilsner I got going on, and then that's the looks like the yeast is taking a good effect there. And then here's my Irish Stout. This is the one I'm doing the video on there. So staying at a nice steady 68 there. Look forward to having that one. So that really smelled good. All right, I think I'll see you in a couple weeks for the bottling of this one. If you watch my other video, it'll be about a week sooner, or a few days sooner on that. So these are about the same time frame really. I could just have one big bottling day, only 3 days apart. Might wait till about halfway through June and do them both. All right. All right, we'll go ahead and get this operation started. So I always put a bowl down there just to catch any. These things like to drip a little bit. So we'll just go ahead and get the first part of this. So that's what it looks like before the bottle. Oh, it smells really nice. Let's give it a try. Really good, almost smoky molasses type of flavor. Real good. That's going to be nice. All right. Go ahead and do do is I just take one of these and then I put one of these carbonation drops in there. Okay, then just slap the cap on there. That's it. Hey, this is how to cap your beer. After you got it in the bottle, and I already got my carbonation drop in there, I take this, there's my capper here. It's actually got a magnetic, and you're gonna need a bunch of caps. It's magnetic, so, but I still will just take it, put it on there. I'll just take that, see this goes like that. Clamps it up there. Just set it right down on top. Make sure both sides come down. You can feel it crimp up. There it is. All right, there we go. Got it all bottled. All right, let's try this stout. It's been in the bottle for just shy of a month. That had some good carbonation coming out the top. Let's see how it does. I have a feeling it's gonna be a little on the, ooh, I'd say a little on the flat side, but that's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, nice head on that. I like that. Oh, that is perfect. Let's hold that baby up to the sun. That is nice, good, dark stuff. The sun won't even shine through it. That's pretty good. Let's give it a whiff. Ah, it smells good. It smells like a good stout. Let's give it a shot. Oh Lord. That is like, it's a sweet, oh, it's got like a sweet flavor to it. Oh yeah, that's like Guinness, but a little bit sweeter. Oh, the aftertaste on that. I'm hoping that's just not a fluke and I just got a good bottle, but that's a god dang good stout. Whew. Yeah, that's tasty. Wow. Oh man, that one's going on the make again list. It's almost got a little tiny, like super tiny hint of a licorice flavor. Oh, wow. So this was totally unexpected. I didn't expect this good of a stout, so that's really good. Beer makers, if you're going to make this, man, do it. That is a good beer kit. That's up there. That's top 5, maybe top 3. Holy cow. For being as simple of a brew process as this one was, I am very, very happy. Good flavor, good up front. Excellent. Aftertaste on this is incredible. It's sweet, but it's dark and a little chocolatey, a little tiny, I hate to even say licorice, but just barely a hint. So, oh, that's good. Refreshing too. Oh yeah. Nailed this one. Very happy with that. All right. Thanks for watching.